learners, welcome back to RVR English. As a part of Vocabulary Booster series, it's a day 3. I'm very glad that you people are loving this series so much. Let's learn one more powerful word in this video. Let's get into the video. The word is arduous. Let's learn the pronunciation. Arduous, arduous. The parts of speech of this word is an adjective. Let's go deeper with this word. The meaning is involving or requiring strenuous effort, difficult or tiring. Let's learn the Telugu meaning also to get better idea. Kastamaina leda klistamaina. Let's picture this word with an example. Climbing the highest peak with heavy baggage. That's arduous, right? But remember, greatest rewards come after greatest struggles. Look at the example. Hiking up the mountain was arduous. In that example, the boy felt very difficult to climb the mountain because he was handling with heavy baggage. Look at the second example. She found the paperwork to be arduous. She felt very difficult to handle with the paperwork. Okay, let's learn this word with two more examples. Climbing the ladder was arduous. In that example, the boy felt very difficult to climb the ladder. Look at the second example. The homework assignment was arduous. In that example, the boy felt very difficult to handle the homework assignment. Of course, for children, it's very difficult to do assignments, right? Let's learn one more powerful word in the next video. Until then, bye bye.